Good evening, students. Today we will study about salts. Let us take a equation HCl plus MgOH whole 2 magnesium hydroxide. It gives MgCl2 plus H2O. This reaction is called neutralization reaction because when an acid reacts with a base to form salt and water is called neutralization reaction. So what is a salt here? Magnesium chloride is formed and magnesium chloride is a salt here. What is salt? Salt is the compound which is formed by the replacement of hydrogen atoms of an acid. It is formed by the replacement of hydrogen atoms of an acid. Acid के hydrogen atom जब replace हो जाते हैं and they are replaced by the metallic ion. किससे replace हो रहे हैं? Metallic ion से, base के metallic ion से, then the formation of salt takes place. Here you will see कि HCl के हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड के हाइड्रोजन का रिमूवल किससे हो रहा है? मैग्नीशियम से. मैग्नीशियम is a metallic ion. Magnesium ion is replacing this hydrogen atom. So what is a salt? Salt is a compound which is formed by the partial or total replacement of the ionizable hydrogen atoms of an acid. And they are replaced by a metallic ion. Metallic ion उसको replace कर देते हैं और ammonium ion also because ammonium hydroxide is also a base. As for example, if you take HCl here, it reacts with NH4OH, ammonium hydroxide. It gives NH4Cl, ammonium chloride plus H2O. This ammonium chloride is also a salt. Next, take another example. HCl plus NaOH. It gives NaCl plus H2O. Hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide to form NaCl, which is a salt, and water. Here also hydrogen atom, and this hydrogen atom of the acid is replaced by the sodium atom. So the formation of salt takes place. So whenever the replacement, the partial or the total replacement of the ionizable hydrogen atoms takes place by the metallic ion or by the ammonium ion of the base, then the formation of salt takes place. Take one more example. When NaOH, sodium hydroxide, reacts with sulfuric acid, H2SO4, then two types of salt are formed here. First one is sodium hydrogen sulfate, or it is called sodium bisulfate. It is a salt plus water. It is also a salt and formation of water is also taking place here. Secondly, NaOH reacts with sulfuric acid, then sodium sulfate and water are formed, and sodium sulfate is also a salt. Sodium sulfate is also salt. Here two types of salt are formed. The first one is NaHSO4, sodium bisulfate, and second one is sodium sulfate, Na2SO4. Both are salts, but both are formed by different methods. In this reaction, first one, only partial replacement of hydrogen takes place here. इस सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड के में दो हाइड्रोजन एटम्स हैं, बट दोनों हाइड्रोजन एटम रिप्लेस नहीं हो रहे हैं इस मेटालिक आयन से, इस सोडियम आयन से. सिर्फ एक हाइड्रोजन का रिप्लेसमेंट हुआ पहले केस में, एंड द formation of sodium bisulfate takes place. एक हाइड्रोजन इसके साथ अटैच्ड ही रह गया तो सोडियम बाइसल्फेट का फॉर्मेशन हो रहा है. इन द सेकेंड रिएक्शन both the hydrogen atoms, both the ionizable hydrogen atoms of sulfuric acid are removed, are replaced by this metallic ion, by this sodium ion, and the formation of sodium sulfate takes place. That is why the definition of salt is a compound which is formed by the partial or by the total replacement. In the first case, partial replacement is taking place, and in the second case total replacement is taking place. So salt is formed by the partial or by the total replacement of ionizable hydrogen atoms by a metallic ion or by an ammonium ion. This is salt. एक और मेथड है इसे डिफाइन कर सकते हैं हम सॉल्ट को. सॉल्ट इज आल्सो एन आयनिक कंपाउंड. इट इज एन आयनिक कंपाउंड which consists of two parts. One part is the positive part which is called the cation, and the second part is called the negative part which is called the anion. But the positive part, that is cation जो होंगे वो H+ ion नहीं होंगे. Generally the positive part is the metallic ion and ammonium ion also हो सकते हैं. And the negative part जो है वो OH- ion नहीं होंगे. हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन या फिर हाइड्रोक्सिल आयन को छोड़ के कोई दूसरे नेगेटिव पार्ट, नेगेटिव एनायन हो सकते हैं. This is also a salt. Next, how we can prepare salts. Next we will study preparation of salts. Preparation of salts. How we will prepare soluble salts. First we are studying about soluble salts. First method to prepare soluble salts is by synthesis. By synthesis. That means two elements when combined together, then the formation of salt takes place. For example, when iron reacts with chlorine, then the formation of not FeCl2. Always remember this point. ये point बहुत important है कि आयरन जब क्लोरीन से रिएक्ट करता है, जब डायरेक्ट सिंथेसिस, डायरेक्ट कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन होता है आयरन और क्लोरीन का, then the formation of FeCl3 takes place. आयरन 3 क्लोराइड का फॉर्मेशन होगा यहाँ पे, फेरिक क्लोराइड, और इट इज कॉल्ड आयरन 3 क्लोराइड is formed. When iron reacts with chlorine, one is metal and second one is non-metal, they combine, direct combination हुआ तो FeCl3 का formation हो रहा है, and FeCl3 is a salt. Similarly, when sodium reacts with chlorine, it forms NaCl, sodium chloride. It is also formed by direct combination or by synthesis reaction. It is also a salt, and both are soluble salts. So first method for preparing soluble salts is by direct combination. Second method to prepare soluble salts is by simple displacement. By simple displacement. When an active metal reacts with dilute acid, it forms salt and hydrogen gas. Salt and hydrogen gas. As for example, Zn plus HCl. gives zinc chloride and the HCl is dilute HCl. It gives zinc chloride plus hydrogen gas. Zinc chloride is salt. Similarly, magnesium reacts with dilute sulfuric acid. Then the formation of MgSO4, magnesium sulfate plus hydrogen takes place. Magnesium sulfate is also a salt. Similarly, when iron reacts with dilute HCl, remember this reaction also, when iron reacts with dilute HCl, then the formation of FeCl2 and hydrogen takes place. FeCl2 का फॉर्मेशन होगा यहाँ पे जब सिंपल डिस्प्लेसमेंट होगा, और जब डायरेक्ट कॉम्बिनेशन होगा then the formation of FeCl3 takes place. It is iron 2 chloride or it is ferrous chloride. It is also a salt. It is also a salt. Always remember FeCl2 is formed by simple displacement and FeCl3 is formed by synthesis or by direct combination reaction. ये बहुत important questions और इसमें बच्चे generally confuse कर जाते हैं, इसलिए always remember these 2 points. Next method to prepare salts is by decomposition. Third method for preparing soluble salts is decomposition of carbonates or bicarbonates by dilute acids. By dilute acids. जब भी किसी कार्बोनेट को, एज फॉर एग्जाम्पल सोडियम कार्बोनेट को हमने रिएक्ट कराया डाइल्यूट HCl से, देन सॉल्ट इज फॉर्म्ड NaCl प्लस H2O प्लस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस इज ऑल्सो रिलीज्ड. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस भी रिलीज होगी इस रिएक्शन. Okay, sodium carbonate when reacts with dilute HCl, it forms NaCl, salt, water and carbon dioxide. Similarly, when sodium bicarbonate reacts with dilute acid, suppose HCl or H2SO4, it gives NaCl plus H2O plus CO. Here also the same products are formed, NaCl, water and carbon dioxide gases used. जब हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड का प्रोडक्शन ज़्यादा हो जाता है स्टमक में, जब एसिडिटी होती है तो हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड का लेवल जो है वो बढ़ जाता है स्टमक में, then we take ENO. That ENO contains sodium bicarbonate. It contains sodium bicarbonate, which neutralizes the excess acid in the stomach and the formation of salt, water and carbon dioxide gases released, and we get relief from that acid. So this is the process. जब भी कार्बोनेट या बाइकार्बोनेट को भी रिएक्ट कराते हैं हम डाइल्यूट एसिड से, then the formation of soluble salts takes place. Fourth reaction, decomposition of sulfides or bisulfides. Sulfides or bisulfides by dilute acids. Na2SO3, it is sodium sulfide. When it reacts with dilute H2SO4 or dilute HCl, it forms a salt. Here I have taken sulfuric acid, that is why the salt formed is Na2SO4, sodium sulfate plus H2O and sulfur dioxide gas जब कार्बोनेट्स लेते हैं तो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस रिलीज होती है, जब सल्फाइड्स लेते हैं तो सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड गैस रिलीज होती है. सेम इज द केस विथ बाइसल्फाइड्स आल्सो. सपोज आई हैव टेकन NaHSO3, it reacts with dilute HCl, then it forms NaCl plus H2O plus SO2, sulfur dioxide gas. Salt, water and sulfur dioxide gas. So the formation of salt is also taking place here. Fifth reaction, this is the fourth one. Fifth reaction, decomposition of sulfides by dilute acids. For example, zinc sulfide, when it reacts with sulfuric acid, dilute sulfuric acid, it forms ZnSO4 plus H2S. Zinc sulfate, which is a salt, plus hydrogen sulfide gas. Similarly, sodium sulfide Na2S, when it reacts with dilute HCl, it forms NaCl plus H2S. This is the fifth process of preparing salts, soluble salts. First method is by direct combination. Second one by simple displacement. Third, decomposition of carbonates or bicarbonates. Fourth one, decomposition of sulfides or bisulfides. And the fifth one is decomposition of sulfides, metallic sulfides by dilute acids. Next process for preparing soluble salts is titration method. Titration, what is titration? Titration is the process when an acid reacts with an alkali. Only alkali, not all bases. सभी bases से नहीं, तब उसे न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन कहा जाता है. बट टाइट्रेशन इज अ स्पेशल प्रोसेस. सिर्फ ये उनके लिए है जिसमें एसिड सिर्फ एल्कली से रिएक्ट करते हैं. एल्कलीस NaOH, KOH, CaOH होल 2 और NH4OH. 4 ही एल्कलीस होते हैं, 2 स्ट्रॉन्ग और 2 वीक एल्कलीस. जब एल्कली किसी एसिड से रिएक्ट करते हैं देन ऑल्सो सॉल्ट एंड वाटर आर फॉर्म, बिकॉज ऑल एल्कलीस आर बेसिस. सभी एल्कलीस बेसिस है, इसलिए दिस रिएक्शन इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन. बट अ स्पेशल टर्म इज गिवन फॉर दोज रिएक्शंस जिसमें एल्कली रिएक्ट करते हैं बेस से. ये सिर्फ उनके लिए है जब सॉल्युबल बेसिस रिएक्ट करते हैं एसिड से. तो जब कोई भी बेस एसिड से रिएक्ट करता है तो देन इट इज कॉल्ड न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन. बट सॉल्युबल बेसिस व्हेन react with an acid, then this process is called, this reaction is called titration reaction. For example, when HCl reacts with NaOH, because NaOH is an alkali, it is NaCl plus H2. This reaction is called titration, or it may be called as neutralization reaction. Similarly, when H2SO4 reacts with KOH, it forms K2SO4 plus H2O. When HCl reacts with NH4OH, it forms NH4Cl plus H2O. When HNO3 reacts with NaOH, it forms NaNO3 sodium nitrate plus H2O. All these compounds are salts. ये सभी salts हैं, क्योंकि इनका formation कैसे हो रहा है? By the replacement of the ionizable hydrogen atoms of the acid by metallic ion of a base. Next, for preparing soluble salts, we can also use neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction, you all know, when an acid reacts with a base इनसॉल्युबल हो चाहे सॉल्युबल हो, जब रिएक्ट करेंगे तो दे फॉर्म सॉल्ट एंड वाटर ओनली, एंड दिस रिएक्शन इज कॉल्ड न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन. फॉर एग्जांपल CuO which is a base plus HCl, it forms CuCl2 plus H2O. CuCl2 plus H2O. Similarly, MgOH2, it is also a base, plus H2SO4, it forms MgSO4 plus H2O. MgSO4 plus H2. This is also neutralization reaction. And the last process for preparing soluble salts is when certain metals, and those metals are those metals which are amphoteric in nature, and there are three metals which are amphoteric in nature: aluminium, zinc and lead. When these metals react with an alkali, strong alkalis are sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. When these three metals or their oxides or their hydroxides react with strong alkalis, then also salt is formed. Let's see. As for example, when zinc reacts with NaOH, it gives Na2ZnO2. It gives Na2ZnO2 plus hydrogen. Na2ZnO2 is sodium zincate. It is sodium zincate and it is a salt. Similarly, when its oxide, that is zinc oxide, reacts with NaOH or KOH, it forms Na2ZnO2 plus H2O because ZnO is base and ZnO when reacts with NaOH, it forms Na2ZnO2 plus H2O. Na2ZnO2, same, it is a salt here. It is balanced. Yes, it is balanced. Same process when zinc hydroxide reacts with sodium hydroxide, NaOH, which is a strong alkali. It gives Na2ZnO2 plus H2. Sodium zincate plus water. Same process taking place here also. So, when an amphoteric metal, its oxide or its hydroxide react with strong alkalis, that is NaOH or KOH, then salt and hydrogen or water का formation होगा always. These are the processes for preparing soluble salts. Now next, we will study in the next class how to prepare insoluble salts also, and what are the classification, how we can classify salts. That's all for today. Thank you.